Welcome back. My name is Atisha Bhoir, lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will see the practical number 9 of mobile application development. So the question is, develop a program to implement button, image button and toggle button. So here we need to use 3 UI controls, that is button, image button and toggle button. So the practical questions include write the code to set the ID of a button. So how to set the ID of the button? Write the XML code there. So the XML code to set the ID of the button. So in the chapter number 4's PPT, that code is there. This is the XML code. When you add any button to the Android Studio, then this XML code will be generated. So this is the XML code to generate the ID of a button. So Android ID, Android:ID is equal to this. This is the ID which is generated by the Android Studio. Then the next is how to add image to a resources file. So how to add a image? If you want to add any image to a file of your project, then just for example, now we are doing the toggle buttons. So we'll take the toggle buttons. So I have already created the experiment number 9, that is toggle button. So if you want to add the image to your toggle button, then go to the file where projects are saved. Here in my laptop, here projects are saved. So your location can be different. Go to the app, go to the source, go to the main, go to the resources and go to the drawable. So here the image can be added. So like this path you need to give to add the images to the drawable folder. Like first of all, go to the project where your project is saved. Go to the app. This is the path. Go to the project, go to the app, go to the source, go to the main, go to the resources, and in resources drawable folder is there, and in the drawable folder we will save the images. We can save the images in the project. So when you save any image here, it will be directly appeared on your project. So like this is my project. So in the resources folder of the project, this image is there because I have saved it my project. So like this. Now the third is list 4 Android toggle button control attributes. So what are the attributes which are used in the toggle button? So we will study this in the lecture also, which are the attributes. But like text view, we are using the attributes. So first is the ID attribute we are using. Second is the checked. So why this checked is used? See here, Android:checked is equals to true. When you checked it as a true, then it will set the current location of your toggle button. Like checked in attribute of toggle button is used to set the current state of the toggle button. So toggle button, why the toggle button is used first we'll see. In Android, toggle button is used to display the checked and unchecked state of a toggle button. So toggle button basically off and on button. When you on it, it will be on. It will give you a light that it is on. When you again click on it, it will be off. So like this toggle button works. Like for example, Bluetooth Wi-Fi. In your mobile, if you want to on a Bluetooth, then you just click on the Bluetooth icon, right? When you click on that Bluetooth icon will be on. It will give you a light of indication that Bluetooth is on. When you again click on that Bluetooth icon, Bluetooth will be off. So this is the example of toggle button. When you click on it, it will be started. When you again click on it, it will be off. So this is the toggle button. So this is the XML code of toggle button. When you add the toggle button in your project, this is the XML code. And this Android checked is the, when you use Android checked is equals to true, then when you click on the toggle button, when you set the Android checked is equals to true, then it will give you the current state of the icon, means it will be on. When you give true to this attribute, when Android checked attribute is true, then when you run the project, it will be by default on. Toggle button will be by default on. When you give it a false here, then when you run the project, toggle button is by default it is off. So when you check this true, then when you run the project, for toggle button is by default on. Okay. So the next is gravity text on. Gravity is the default we have used in the text view also. It is give you center, horizontal and positions. When you use the text on attribute in the toggle button, text on, see here it is using text on, Android text on enable. Means when you click on the toggle button, that text will be enable. And when you click on the toggle button again, so text off is what? Disable. Means what? When you give any text to the text on attribute, text on is equals to enable. Means what? When you click on the toggle button, it will be, text will be enable. And when you again click on the toggle button, text will be disable. So like this, when you on the toggle button, then for the on position our text is what? Enable. When you off the toggle button, for the off position our text is disable. So like this. And these are the default attributes which we already used in the button, image button, and already discussed in the lecture also. So these are the some main attributes like Android check. So check पे जब आप क्लिक करोगे, so check पे क्लिक करने के बाद it's equal to true. Check is equal to true means what? जब प्रोजेक्ट रन होगा तो टॉगल बटन बाय डिफॉल्ट ऑन ही रहेगा प्रोजेक्ट रन होने के बाद. बट अगर यहाँ पे फॉल्स है तो जब प्रोजेक्ट रन होगा तो टॉगल बटन पहले से ही फॉल्स के स्टेट में रहेगा. एंड दिस इज द सेकेंड, टेक्स्ट ऑन एंड टेक्स्ट ऑफ. सो टेक्स्ट ऑन एंड टेक्स्ट ऑफ व्हाई इट इज यूज? जब प्रोजेक्ट रन होगा, अगर टॉगल बटन पे क्लिक किया तो क्लिक करने के बाद जब टॉगल बटन ऑन होता है तो ऑन होने के टाइम टेक्स्ट कौन सा रहेगा? एनेबल. जब उसको क्लिक करके वापस ऑफ कर रहे हैं तो ऑफ होने के बाद उसका टेक्स्ट रहेगा डिसेबल. सो वी विल डू द प्रोग्राम ऑफ टॉगल बटन इन द एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 9. आवर क्वेश्चन इज राइट अ प्रोग्राम टू क्रिएट अ टॉगल बटन टू डिस्प्ले ऑन एंड ऑफ ब्लूटूथ ऑन द डिस्प्ले स्क्रीन. The question is to display on and off Bluetooth. Means we need to create one Bluetooth toggle button, and when you click on it will be on. When you click in off, it will be off. So like this you need to do the user interface. First of all, take the relative layout, and in the relative layout take one toggle button. Toggle button are in the buttons. In the buttons, toggle button is there. Okay. So first of all, take the relative layout and take the toggle button. So here this is the image. So how to do this? Go to the code. Here you can see in the relative layout I have added the toggle button. Width and height I have set it 200 and 300. Margin top attribute I have used, that is 200. Means from top position on the 200 my toggle button is there. Center horizontal is equals to true, means my toggle button is on the center. So margin top means from the top here to here. This is the 200 position. Center horizontal means my toggle button is on the center of layout. Now next is the text on attribute. Bluetooth is enable. Means when my toggle button, when I have click on the toggle button, when it will be on, then my text will be Bluetooth is enable. When I again click on the toggle button to make it off, then my text will be Bluetooth is disable. And then the text color is my red. Drawable bottom, I have used a drawable bottom attribute. Why it is used drawable bottom? To add the image to the button. To add any image to the button on the bottom side, means you can see on the bottom side of the on the bottom side of the toggle button I have added this image, that is Bluetooth's image. So this image you should first add into the drawable folder like this. First add it on the drawable folder Bluetooth, and then here drawable bottom @ drawable. In the drawable folder I have added the Bluetooth image. So this is the name. You can give the address like this. If you are using here drawable left, then on the left side of the bottom, Bluetooth will be added, image will be added. So these are the 4: drawable bottom, top, left and right. Whatever you want to add. Text size, text style is bold, and Android checked is my false. My checked is the false, means what? When I run the project, my toggle button is off. When I run the project, my toggle button is off by default because I have checked it false. Okay. If you are making it true, then when you run the project, your button status is your by default on. Okay. जब प्रोजेक्ट रन होगा तो बटन पहले से ही ऑन रहेगा अगर यहाँ पे ट्रू है तो. यहाँ पे फॉल्स है मतलब जब प्रोजेक्ट रन करोगे तो बटन पहले से ही ऑफ रहेगा. And then here I have closed the relative layout, constraint layout is closed. So the output is, this is the output. When I click on it, by default when I run the project, this is the first window because my checked was false. That's why here my toggle button is disabled by default. When I run the project, it is disabled. But when you click on this toggle button, then it will be enabled. So this is the text off because it is off. Bluetooth is disabled. When I click on this, toggle button is started. So my text on is Bluetooth is enabled and this light will become because my toggle button is on. So on indication is this light will become. Okay. So by default, this is the screen disabled because my checked was false. And when I click on it, this is the second image. My Bluetooth is enabled. So this is how we can do the program of toggle button. Okay. So this is how practical number 9 is completed. In the next video, we will discuss the practical number 10. Thank you.